For they look at me through the veil of desire and see only the shape of my body. For they look at me through the magnifying glass of self-love and they find only my weakness and submission. Dear stranger in the suit, on that blasphemous night, everything witnessed no one can comprehend. Our eyes met beyond carnal attraction. We defined love. Love is not selfish. It knows no rules, not limited to one. Love breathes, for love is free. We shared intensity until time took it away. I suffered waiting. Every moon past, hope floats my place in your life. It was in vain. I cannot blame you, for your promise belongs to someone with a good heart. No basis of comparison. You told me I am special. You loved me. You loved me until you got tired of your fascination with me. It was real. The end was hurting. I loved you. I let you go till you find your wings. Dear stranger in the bar, my restless body found solitude in you, your nearness at my insanity. Your physical mortality was too hard to resist. I cannot rest until these feeble hands touch and taste every part of your skin. You are a beautiful creation. Your character even provoked this madness. You brought me to our orgasm on our first conversation. It felt good, and I wanted more. I am thirsty. You are skilled with your water. You cannot love me. Thank you for your honesty. And I envy those sluts now owning your erection. It once belonged to me, but I can't hold it forever. Dear stranger over the weekend, I am vacillating. My thoughts perceive emptiness. I don't love you, but I need your moment. I know I've hurt you, and you still accepted me. I am broken. You carried me, led me to the blurry side of truth where confusion exists. You said,